Net zero by 2050 is quite an ambitious goal, but the human race has demonstrated that can overcome any challenge. The global oil consumption is about 100 million barrels per day, and about 10% of that volume is supplied by heavy oils. It is also worth mentioning that about 13% of this total production or consumption is used for non-combusted items. Those non-combusted items are actually present in our daily life. So it is not easy to imagine a world without heavy oil products. But its extractive activity represents about 15% of the total oil production activity in the world in terms of CO2 emissions. Climate change is a global concern, and we must do something. And this is why we're going to present here with Bonpland Innovation.
Our solution is a water-based surfactant system that can give preponderance of gravity force over viscosity. It is low cost because it's self-price and because its application will not require performing major well interventions. It also could be applied to any kind of well, whether vertical, deviated, or horizontal. We optimize a three-stage procedure. First, we collect data and samples and go to the lab to design a custom formulation for each reservoir and fine-tune it for each well. One of the most remarkable features of Oil Freeway is that it's a water production base. Then we discovered how to substitute complex components for commercial chemical inputs, which were also easy to mix. Finally, we learned how to adapt the process to field conditions, low cost, and injecting through to the wellhead with no specialized equipment or significant well intervention. We estimate the spectacular effect of water production if we analyze water or radio. Our invention can lower water production from 52 to 9 barrels of water per barrel of oil. Moreover, reduce CO2 emissions per barrel from 58 to 15 kilograms per barrel. That is 56% less carbon the atmosphere.
We pick up Bonpland as a name to honor the French botanist who teamed up with Humboldt to study nature in America. We will help protect nature by lowering CO2 emissions, remediating oil spills, and abounding the need for new oil wells. Do you know that when a beer gets contaminated with oil, its cause of death is hypothermia? It is sad. So we start researching how to save this animal by adapting our invention to living beings. There is a vast market out there, more than 100 billion with incredible growth potential. Any one commitment, the responsibility providing the humankind with the element to preserve our current lifestyle will be interested is applying our products, government, NGO, and company that face more and more challenging business environment.